The disappointment. Pingala watered and manured the seed, but the seed did not sprout. Pingala changed the soil and transferred the seed to another pot. Weeks and months passed. One day, Pingala went near the pot. He knelt before it. Dear seed, 3 months have passed. I want to take you to the palace. Please sprout out by tomorrow. But nothing happened. The next day, he saw children walking to the palace, dressed in their best clothes. They all held well-grown plants. Pingala stood watching them sadly.